Hi everyone, it's Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My quick tip today is regarding the tailored tag punch. This punch does a little bit more than create just this shape. Let me show you. I've cut a piece of cardstock here and I want to turn this into a tag with mitered corners. Well, I did a little bit of experimenting to find out that I was able to do that. So I'm going to turn the punch so that the long end is vertical, and I'm going to stick in one of my corners. And I'm just going to gauge along this line right here in the middle of the punch. And I'm just going to chop a little bit off. Now I'm going to flip my paper over in that exact same spot. I'm just going to eye it the best that I can and do the same thing. And you're going to have virtually perfect corners for a tag every single time. I also found that it creates banner tips. Now these pieces of paper I have here are 3/4 inches wide and this is a 1/2 inch wide. Too small for the triple banner punch. But I don't need to worry about that anymore because this part right here is going to create the perfect banner tip. So I'm sliding the cardstock in. I am centering this V portion in the middle of my paper, and then I'm going to punch. And if it's not perfect, the great thing is you can stick it right back in and fix it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the smaller one just to show you that you can create any small piece of paper using the tailored tag punch, as well as mitered corners to create tags. Head over to my blog, click on the Online Classes tab for fun ways for you to stamp with me from home, and of course my rewards program is under a tab there as well. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, would sure love to have you join us. Just click the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button to receive notifications if you're using a desktop version. Thanks so much for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip. Have a great day.